Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Pro effectively. First, understand that Gemini Pro is a powerful tool for many tasks, from writing to coding. You can access it easily through the Google AI Studio platform. Once there, your first step is to simply create a new prompt in the user-friendly interface. This sets the stage for all your creative and analytical work. To get the best from Gemini Pro, focus on your prompts. Clearly define your objective and the exact output format you need, whether it's a list or a paragraph. Always provide specific instructions and relevant context. This guides the AI precisely. Don't be afraid to experiment with different phrasing and wording to refine your results and achieve optimal outcomes. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with their amazing lifetime warranty. They're perfect for those long hours of prompt engineering. Check the description for the link to these socks and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. For more advanced use, leverage system instructions to ensure consistent AI behavior across your projects. Consider employing few-shot examples. These provide the model with a few instances of desired input and output, significantly guiding its responses. Remember, effective use is an iterative process. Continuously test and refine your prompts for the most optimal outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.